Simple mobile account deactivation involves two primary methods: suspension, which is a temporary halt, and closure, which is permanent termination. Suspension pauses your service temporarily while preserving your phone number and any remaining data for reactivation. This is ideal for short breaks like travel or temporary financial issues. Closure ends the account entirely, potentially forfeiting your phone number unless you port it to another carrier. A key difference is that any remaining balance is forfeited upon closure, and the SIM card becomes unusable. Here's a quick comparison. Suspension is temporary, preserving your number and data, while closure is permanent, potentially losing your number and forfeiting any balance. Choose suspension if you plan to return to Simple Mobile, and closure if you're switching providers or no longer need the service. Make sure to cancel any add-on services separately before deactivating. First, gather your account details, including your phone number, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, or your PIN. Next, ensure your account is in good standing with no past due balances exceeding $10. You can initiate deactivation through the Simple Mobile app, their website at simplemobile.com by calling 1-877-878-7904, or by visiting a retail store. To keep your number, request an Account Portability Authorization Code, or PAC. It's free but takes 1 to 3 days to issue. After deactivation, monitor for confirmation emails to ensure everything is processed correctly. If you're porting your number, promptly follow the new carrier's instructions to avoid losing it, as mandated by Federal Communications Commission rules for seamless retention. Remember, porting is generally recommended over full closure if you wish to retain your phone number.